So hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So for today I'm actually very excited because I kind of decided to go back to the roots of my channel and do a little makeup tutorial because I'm going out and I'm doing my makeup and I thought I don't really have any content for this weekend, so let's just do a little makeup tutorial, which is actually one of the easiest videos to edit, so we're gonna roll with that. I'm actually in a hurry because I'm already late. I have like a party. By the way, I'm using my NARS primer. But anyways, I have a party tonight. Like a house party. It's not a big deal, but it's a party and I like to dress up, so I will literally overdress for any occasion. Now I'm gonna use this NARS. I think it's like a tinted moisturizer. Honestly, I'm very into tinted moisturizers lately because they're easy to apply and I like my skin more dewy nowadays. Like I feel like the moment of like really matte skin has kind of passed. Makeup wise, like the trend is more dewy skins. So if you go like really back to my channel, I would use the most high covering foundations for every day, and now I kind of just do tinted moisturizers to go out. Or something else I do because everyone just kind of bought a lot of very matte foundations and you don't want to get them to waste. But what I do with those is I mix them in with my moisturizer, like my everyday moisturizer, and they're more they get dewier and they get better. Could I use my Tarte Shape Tape to cover up my dark circles because honestly I cannot go out. Also I have a zit. Oh my god, the lighting. I'm suffering, but it is what it is. I didn't have time to like prepare, and I said it's also like pitch dark outside, so I only have my reflector on, which is very harsh light, by the way. If you haven't noticed, like I swear I do not have this bad of dark circles. They look really bad on camera. But anyways, I'm gonna set everything using my Fit Me powder. Again with the dewy skin ideas, I only set like my T-zone because it's the one that gets like oilier. I don't get as oily anymore. That's a good thing. Now I have a corset on and I swear the straps keep falling off. It is like really tight already, so I don't know why they're falling off, honestly. If anyone has this problem with corsets and would like to tell me how they fixed it, I would be very happy to know. But anyways, I'm gonna bronze up using my butter bronzer, my Physicians Formula butter bronzer, which I adore. I love this bronzer. It's buildable, It's very sheer on the beginning, which you're gonna like because, very pale. And next what I'm gonna do is just cover kind of like my whole face with this Milani Baked Blush. This is the best blush ever. Like I think every single beauty YouTuber uses this one, and there's a reason for it. It's because it's the best. It's very luminous and it has kind of like a golden tint to it, which I love. Like I love gold makeup, everything. So I'm very happy. I love the tint this gives me. I look so oily in this light. I swear I am not as oily. Let's see if like I can get another angle. No, I'm just gonna have to look like really oily for a while. Anyways, I'm gonna quickly do my brows off camera and I will be right back. Okay, I'm back. I just did the fronts of my brows, which is the only part visible with my bangs. Honestly, if you don't know how to do your eyebrows or just can't be bothered, get bangs. Like you cannot see my bangs at all. Like my oh my god, I look so shiny in this light. I don't know if it's better or not. I don't think it's better. This video is such a train wreck, honestly. Like I'm rushing through my makeup. We're like 10 minutes in and I've already done most of the things. And between the rushing and the light, I swear, I don't know. I don't even know why I'm rushing like this much. It's not like it's a big deal party with like time. Okay, I'm gonna use my Naked 2 palette and I'm gonna use this shade over here, which is called Tease. It's my favorite shade ever. Like my favorite cool tone shade ever. I'm gonna put that on my crease. Just kind of like all over my crease. Okay, and now that that is done, I'm gonna go in with this gold shade right here, which is called, I cannot read names, Half Baked. And I'm gonna put that kind of like to the middle of my eyelid, like from the beginning from my eyelid to the middle of my eyelid. Kind of like this. And to gonna finish everything off, I'm gonna go with the Blackout shade right here and very lightly put that on the outer edges of my eyelids. Like I swear my makeup has become like so minimalistic. I look back at type of makeup I used to do when I first started my channel and it was like a lot. I used so many colors on my eyelids and I just did a lot of makeup. I don't know. I was really bored. Also, I have kind of managed how to make eyeliner work for me because for the longest time I did not know how to make it work for me. And what I do now is I just do it on half my lid. Like I don't go all the way in because it looks kind of weird on me because I have like really round eyes. So if I go like all the way in, it looks really, really round. I don't like anime, which I don't have a problem with, but it's not exactly the look I'm going for. But if I do it like just halfway in, it kind of like elongates my eye. Or at least that's what I like to think. Okay, so I think this is as good as my eyeliner is gonna get. I swear, I'm so jealous of people who actually know how to do their eyeliner because I can't. Like this is as good as we're gonna get. And I swear I'm actually good at makeup, like pretty good at makeup. But eyeliner is just not my thing. I cannot do it. Okay, so let me tell you about my plans tonight because I haven't talked in a minute, so now I feel like I have to talk to you guys. Because the few last videos I did were me just talking about TV shows. I'm gonna have more like TV show videos coming soon. Cannot tell you when because I have not filmed them, but soon. So now that I'm doing makeup and I don't talk as much, I feel weird. But basically, I am gonna go to a party. One of my like friends. Yeah, she's my friend. She's like my friend's friend. Also, she's not like directly my friend, but you know what? We're friends. Whatever. I don't know why I gave you like that whole explanation, but you know when your friends are friends with someone and you two don't really like talk outside of when you see them in real life, like that's the only time you talk to them and then you like just ignore their existence. Well, that's kind of like my relationship with this girl, but whatever, like she's cool. It's just me. I cannot be bothered to talk to people on like the phone or social media. I'm like the worst. But anyway, she is moving to Ireland because she works for Google. Like I know I have like cool friends with actual jobs. Meanwhile, I'm here like filming free content, not getting monetized because y'all don't subscribe. But anyways, you know, it's what it is. But anyways, she is moving to Ireland, and this is kind of like her goodbye party. And actually, another one of my friends, she moved, and she has like this house that's like completely empty because she moved to another house. So we're gonna have a party there. I'm gonna use this shade right here, and I'm gonna like highlight my eyes. But yeah, so we have like an empty house to party in. Fun. I swear this party, everyone's gonna be like in jeans and t-shirts, and meanwhile I'm here doing my makeup and wearing a corset. This happens to me every single time. I honestly overdress for everything. Like I will go to the movies looking like this. Like, yeah. If I'm out of the house, I'm gonna look fine. Like really good. I have no medium. Like I will either wear no makeup or just everything. Same with clothes, like it's pajamas or this. The other day I went to a like beer garden, which is really cool, but I thought it was gonna be like super chill. And I swear, I kind of put like a nice jean on and like a cool jacket on because it's winter down here, so it's actually quite cold. And I was looking cool, but I was also like not really like dressed up. And my friends, they showed up looking like they were going out, like they were going to a club, and I looked at them and I wanted to die. Like I'm always the one who's like the most overdressed, and suddenly I was the one that was like the most underdressed. It was a really weird moment for me. So today I'm going all out. These are actually different friends who tend to underdress, but whatever. I'm not suffering again, so this is how I'm looking. But anyways, I'm done with my makeup. I hope you really like it. I know it's really not that informative. Just talked about whatever, but kind of needed it. Anyways, I hope you really enjoyed it, and please, if you did, I hope you really enjoyed it. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below because it really helped me out. But anyways, I will see y'all in the next one. Mwah. Bye.